Hi! In front of me is Nokia 11040 and today I would like to show you how you can add an alarm clock on this device. First of all, click on this left button and select alarm. After that, you need to click on this left button again, and now you can set up an hour. Over here, you can also label your alarm however you wish to, and choose ringtone. Then pick one of the available melodies by clicking on the chosen one and going back. After that, you need to select repeat mode and pick once, daily or working days. I will go with daily, so I have to click on this option, and now I can save my alarm by clicking on this left button over here. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the middle button. If you wish to turn it on, click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!